Always says if you want to see a good detail, look from the bottom up. This is how the factory have left this lower part, just above the sills on the rear quarter. Been flatted and not polished enough, and the same with the wheel arch. All the lower wheel arch has been flatted to the edge and not polished. This lower part of the sill, or the bottom of the rear quarter, has just been ignored, so I'm going to get on and polish that now. Back to how it should have come from the factory. All the carbon done, bottom of the doors. It's looking sweet, sweet as a nut. Right, that's the side completed. I'm going to go on to the boot lid now. See you on the next one. Here's an opportunity to see the difference in gloss levels. Boot's not been done yet. It's coming up really well now. This is after 2 stages of polish, and we've got another refinement one to do yet. So I think it's going to look stunning.